Welcome to the Q&A session 9 from the playlist of NEET Physics Part 2. The topic is the electric flux, and based on this topic I have selected one question which was asked in the CBSE All India Pre-Medical Test. This question was asked in CBSE All India Pre-Medical Test in the year 2006. So the question here is, a square of side L meter is in the plane of a paper. A uniform electric field E in the plane of the paper is limited to the lower half of the square. So this is the figure which was provided along with this question. So this is a square of side L meter, and the uniform electric field is limited to the lower half of this square, and this square is in the plane of the paper, and at the same time this uniform electric field is also in the plane of the paper. So the electric flux associated with this surface is, there are four options and we have to find the correct one. Now we know that the flux through a surface is given by the formula, that is E A cos theta, where E is the intensity of the electric field, A is the area of cross section, and theta is the angle made by the direction of the electric field and the normal to the surface. So since here the electric field is lying in the plane of the paper, and the square of this side L meter is also lying in the plane of the paper, therefore the angle between the normal to the surface of this square and the direction of the electric field will be equal to 90 degree. So if theta is equal to 90, then cos 90 will be equal to 0. So the electric flux, that is phi, this will be equal to 0 because cos 90 is equal to 0. So the correct option here is C. So this is a question which can be solved within 4 or 5 seconds. So here the most important thing which you have to remember is that theta is the angle between the normal to the surface and the direction of the electric field. So in this case, theta becomes equal to 90 degree, and as a result of it, the flux associated with this surface will be equal to 0. So thank you very much for joining this session, and in the next session I will be coming up with a different topic from the chapter of electric charges and field. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.